So I'm showing you this video real quick. Looking at the bolt right here in here, it is a 14 millimeter you're going to need, preferably a 6-point socket. In order to get this caliper off, I'm going to make this super easy for you. You're going to pull up to loosen the bolt. Okay, both sides. Oh, okay, don't know my own strength. Okay, we're going to take these bolts completely out. Okay, so sorry for the camera angle here. I am holding it. I do not have a GoPro. Using my cell phone. Standard bolts, threads look good. Everything's good. So I'm going to shine the light right there. Okay, oh, I guess I can't do both. Anyway, visually inspecting, I've got a pretty bright light here. It's about 1,000 candle power. I'm going to take a flat screwdriver out of my box over here. Okay. In order to get these off pretty easy, you can take a flat screwdriver, pry it in right here. Of course, it's not going to be too easy. You want to get the screwdriver in here, press back toward the caliper, or see if you can slide this off. Okay, once I get it off, you're going to hang the caliper up here. Do not stretch that hose. This car's 20 years old. These are the original brake lines. They break very easy. Okay, the pad is worn. What gave me the indication my brake pads were getting ready to fail and was going to ruin this. The rotor's still in pretty good shape. I'm just going to hang a set of pads on it. What showed me that this was getting ready to fail, the light kept flickering on and off, meaning the fluid was low. Do not add brake fluid to your car. If the fluid is low, especially in the front of the master cylinder, that's telling you it's an indication of either one, you've got a torn brake line, or two, your pads are low to that point. The original pads come with approximately about 1/2 inch to 5/8 of the pad. Pry this off, replace the pads, and you're good.